Everybody shoots it on the way. Paul, you just got
Alright, you're up. Lincoln Jackson.
Paul. Hello folks, welcome to King Video Channel. On this next video feature, I wanted to kind of explain to you some of the rules of one of the games that we did. It was and what this event was, it was a shotgun shooting event, and it was just so much fun. It was held by the Arrowhead Young Guns. They did a shotgun challenge, and it was last Saturday. And I participated in the shoot, so I didn't do a lot of video, but I did some short clips with my phone. And it was just a blast. We shot skeet, we shot trap, sporting clays, 5-stand, you name it. But one game I want to, in the videos I'm going to show in just a minute, is clips of a game called Last Man Standing, or Last Shooter Standing. And it was a fun, and you'll enjoy it. Anyway, what we did, all the shooters lined up in a arch right around the trap shooting range, shoulder to shoulder. And it was probably, I don't know, 30, 40 shooters, let's say. We all stood there shoulder to shoulder. And the reason I want to explain this is kind of hard to figure out what's going on when you see the video until you get some explanation of the rules. And so we lined up shoulder to shoulder, all facing the trap machine. Down on the left end, the first 3 shooters would mount, and the first shooter on the left would call for a target. Now, when the target launched, the first shooter would have an opportunity to shoot at it, okay? If he missed, the second guy would shoot, and then if he or she missed, the third person would shoot. Now, if they all 3 missed, then it just moves down to the next 3 shooters. But I'll try to tell you how they eliminate people. And the last person standing is a winner. So what they do, the first guy shoots. If he hits and the second person shoots at a broken target, then he gets eliminated. All right, let's say the first guy misses and the second guy hits, then the first shooter is eliminated. All right, another scenario, the first guy shoots, or girl, first shooter shoots, misses, second person shoots, misses, third person shoots and hits, then those 2 ahead of him are eliminated. And this is one target now that came out of the trap house, so it all happens pretty fast. And it's interesting, the person that's second or third, it's so tempting to go ahead and shoot at it, but if you shoot at it and the target was broken by the person to your left, then you get eliminated. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, and it moves on down the line. And as people get eliminated, it all just boils down to one shooter who is the winner. And it was just so much fun. So coming up right now, stay tuned. You're gonna see some short clips, and this way you'll kind of understand, you know, why 3 people are shooting and what's going on. So enjoy it, guys. Here we go. Shotgun challenge held by the Arrowhead Young Guns, Arrowhead Gun Club, Southside, Virginia. Stay tuned. You had to do it. Anything less, you weren't going to do it.
Triple eyes.
Bob, I pulled up the video. Everybody shoots it on the way. Paul, you just got
Alright, you're up. Lincoln Jackson.
Paul.
Good job.
Most times, you know, it's
Oh.
there getting weak something. They ain't nobody.
Oh.
Kids have gotten the right good shot.
Oh.
Just hold his own steady. You're fine.
Representing the retired. I love it. In one eye.
Paul.
You give me your heart attack, Dave. Oh.
Hey!
Oh.
I can't get him out. That's the problem. Is I can't let Dave lose. All right.
Oh, I missed that. Oh. I guess straight away.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I'm not even mounting at this point.
Oh.
I put it right on it. Dang.
Good shoot.
I enjoyed that, guy.